Bomberman.
Oh, wow! Woohoo!
Hello my sweeties, welcome back to my Mig Bomberman channel. And you know what kind of event we have? Oh yes, now we have an event that it's all over the world, so it's Saint Easter event. In this way I would like to ask you, with what kind of things, with what kind of decorations Saint Easter event is related with? Oh yes, you are right. I think the best decorations that must be related are eggs, chickens, spring, green grass, decorations, everything. Wow, it looks so nice. Of course, you know, I took so much time to make decorations and everything to make this explosion city, and one of the decisions that I wanted to explode, it was like kind of little bunny. Of course, the bunnies you can find everywhere, in a zoo park, in the backyard or somewhere else, or maybe in the forest. But of course, I'm not taking the real bunny or any real animal for my explosions. Later on I tried to find such kind of like a toy or something, but I didn't find.
What's up, Doc?
But anyway, whatever, forget it. But in all of what I got, I made one big Saint Easter, I don't know, table, city, or whatever it calls. I want that you would rate it from 1 to 10. Just write down in the comment how you like my Saint Easter scene. And this way you can take a look how it looks like from the inside of my microwave. So let's check this out. And let's check the action of camera number 1. Okay, what do we got here? It starts, and wow, what an explosion! As you can see, so many eggs are flying. Some of them, they are totally damaged. Oh my god, perfect. And let's check the camera number 2. What the action we saw here? Okay, it starts in, and okay, let's go. Whoa, wow, what an explosion. Wow, so many scratches, everything and stop. Yeah, do you see that part flying on the left? This paper is on fire. Wow, nice. Okay, let's go. And wow, so many eggs are flying. Do you see that white egg in the middle? It's flying like a planet in a galaxy, and it will crash to another one. Yeah, goal. They hit each other. Wow, amazing. And let's check the best one, camera number 3. It will be the slowest video what we got here. So let's check this out. And the explosion goes in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, oh my god. Wow, it looks incredible. Perfect.
Now, this is epic.
And here we're back 1 second after explosion, so just take a look around. What a big mess around, right? Wow, I can still feel the fresh smell around. Wow, oh my god, take a look. Wow, so many smashed things. All eggs are totally damaged. Some of the grass are burned over here. Wow, it's still burning? Oh, it's over, finally. But as you see, everything is smashed out. And let's take a look at this chicken. Is it still alive? Oh, it's still alive. It doesn't hurt at all. Nice. What about this one? Let's check this out. Wow. This chicken is a bit burned. But everything's fine. Wings are totally fresh. I think it can still fly. Wow, great. So just after explosion, you can see live everything. What do we have here? I think it will take much time, to clean up everything, but that's good. And if you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just offer your idea, write down in a comment, and next time I will blow off your idea.
Mig Bomberman.